Records in C# are immutable data classes. They simplify creating data-focused types with much less code while keeping them clear and easy to use. Define the records in C# concisely, which then automatically creates immutable properties, value-based equality, a readable toString method, and supports deconstruction. Use with expressions to create modified copies. In this example, I'm creating a new record while keeping the original unchanged. Both positional and nominal syntax are supported for different scenarios. Records are ideal for DTOs, configuration objects, or any immutable data models, reducing boilerplate, ensuring immutability, and making equality comparisons based on values rather than references.